In this video you will learn how to change background of your video in Capcut. So it is pretty easy and simple, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. First of all, open Capcut application. Once you open Capcut, then tap on new project to add a video. Now select your video here to edit. So I added the video. Now I am changing its format to see my background. So I have seen my background, it is a black color. Now I am gonna changing it. So for this you should have to tap on canvas, and here you can see background option. Tap on this, and here you can see many backgrounds. So I am selecting. You can choose any kind of background for your video you like most. You can also add custom background for your video from your SD card or phone memory. For this, tap on plus icon, and here you can select your background for your video. Let's suppose this one. So that's it. See you in the next video. Goodbye.